What's up, you guys? Today I have an eye care unboxing from Fytoo Eye Care. So they are a eye care unboxing company and they sell prescription eye care glasses, sunglasses, and non-prescription glasses. So I've got about 5 different pairs from them today and I'm going to be unboxing them and sharing what I think. So first, what you get in your box is your glasses. You get them in this protective little bag here and the glasses inside. I've got a variety of styles, so I'll make sure to tell you them. All mine are non-prescription glasses as well as sunglasses. So I've got kind of a wide range here. I guess it doesn't. I'll link them down below here of all the different types of glasses I got so that you can shop the styles I have. Here is the first pair we got. I love these. It's these wide framed clear glasses. They're like blue light glasses that you can wear when you're on the computer or on a device. And I love how these look on. They look very clean, fresh. They're not too big, super comfortable to wear and great quality. Like, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. This feels like quality glasses. So that is the first pair. The second pair I have is very different, but it's one of my favorite pairs as well. This is actually a sunglass pair. So these again are wide frames. They have pink on the top here, brown eyeglass frames here at the back, and they look like this. I love these. Again, these wouldn't be like a typical frame I would pick because they're a darker eyeglass frame, but again, I like how they fit my face and they're super stylish. So the next frame we have here is another sunglass frame, and this was a different type that I normally wouldn't pick. It has green sunglasses, and then it has like this brown kind of like type of design in the back here. So these are again a darker type of frame and bigger lens, but I do like them as well. And then we've got our last pair, which is another blue light glasses pair, and this one totally reminds me of Harry Potter. It's this navy blue sunglass frame, has like this arch on the top here, and then when I put it on, it looks exactly like Harry Potter, like rounded frames, but it fits my face really nice. What I love about all these frames is they frame my face nicely. They have great quality lenses. They're not too bright. Great quality glasses in general, and very affordable. So I'm going to link them down below for you guys to shop. I actually have a 10% off code you can use, and I'm going to link it down below. It's Fytoo75, and on all orders of $75 or more, you can get $10 off, which is awesome. So I'll link that down below. In your bag as well when you order, you do get this to help you see and measure the glasses if you want. And then you also get an information pack about Fytoo. So they are an online professional eyeglass store, and they maintain a stable supply chain for customers. So they have women's glasses, men's glasses, and kids glasses, which is awesome. So anybody can buy these, and they sell clear lenses, which is some of the ones I have, blue light blocking lenses, polarized sunglasses, tinted sunglasses, colorblind lenses, and photochromatic lenses, which is awesome. And you can use their eyeglasses that have prescriptions for distance or near vision. And then they have progressive eyeglasses, readers, and non-prescription, which mine are all non-prescription, but I just love them to wear with an outfit. And when I'm on the computer doing computer work, they really help me not get headaches. And I find just like focus better on computer work. Like, it's not as bright. Sometimes I even find when I go to stores, like it's super bright in the store and then it's hard to see. So these are great for that. So I'll link them down below. You can shop all the styles and use my code Fytoo75 to get $10 off. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.